Hello, it's Mamaw Gail, and today I'm going to fix Frito Corn Salad. It's just something quick and easy to fix if you want a side dish, or just if you're having a cookout or a family gathering or whatever. It's real good to just throw it together because it's just not time consuming. There ain't much to it. That's the best part about it. 1 can of whole kernel corn, drained. Half a cup of finely chopped onion, a half a cup of bell pepper, green pepper, finely chopped. 1 cup of shredded cheese. I've got the mild cheddar, but you can really use just any kind of cheese you want to use, and how much you want to use, really, I guess. Because you know me, I'm not a big cheese eater. I get the finely chopped cheese. That's kind of, if I have to use or eat, that's what I want. And a half a cup of mayonnaise. Everything's a half, except for the cheese. It's 1 cup of cheese. Mix this up a little bit. Now you want to get your bag of Chili Cheese Fritos, and make sure it's chili cheese. Well, you might can use the regular ones. I don't know. It's just according to whichever one you like the best, I guess. That's what I do anyway. It's just a half bag. I like them. I might even use more than that. That's my favorite Fritos, is the chili cheese anyway. Now just gently stir all that up so you don't want to mash all them Fritos up. But now the best thing to do is to just put this in the refrigerator until you're getting ready to eat it or serve it or whatever. Then add your Fritos to it. We're getting ready to eat some of this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in there. Okay, you see how quick and easy that was? No work to it. All the work there are to it is to chopping the onions and your peppers, and that ain't bad. We'll do a taste test. It might not seem like it, but that is really good. It seems like them that chili cheese Fritos just sets it all off. If you like that and corn, give it a try. I think you'll like it. Y'all hungry?